Let's see now how to join existing Facebook groups. So if you remember, you can create Facebook groups, but you can also join. Your friends can invite you to join a group at any time, but you also can request to join an existing group. So let's say that one of your friends created a new group, then they can invite you to join that group. But the same can happen if you're looking for a group in Facebook, then you can find it, you want to join it. Because you may find a lot of information also for your business, or you want to create a similar group for your business or for your niche, and you want to get inspired into this group. The following are the steps that you need to follow in order to join a group. So from the home page, you locate and select the groups section. The groups page will appear. Then second, you select Discover to browse suggested groups, see what groups your friends belong to, and more. You simply click Join to join an existing group. And finally, when you join a group, that information will be posted to your timeline and your friends' news feeds. Important, before joining a group, you may want to consider if you feel comfortable sharing this with all of your friends on Facebook. If you don't want everyone to see your group information, you can create your own secret group.